Today we are going to talk about second normal form, part of database management system course. Second normal form is a property of a relational database design that specifies that all attributes in a table must depend on the entire primary key of the table, not just a part of it. This means that even non-key attributes in the table must be fully dependent on the primary key and not just on a part of it. To achieve second normal form, a table must meet the following requirements. It must be in first normal form, which means that it must contain only atomic values and have a unique identifier for each row. All non-key attributes must depend on the entire primary key, not just part of it. In other words, there should be no partial functional dependencies in the table. There should be no repeating groups, that is, two or more identical sets of columns that store the same type of data. Enforcing second normal form helps to ensure that the data in a table is stored in a consistent and predictable manner and makes it easier to search and query the data. It also helps to prevent data redundancy and dependency, which can lead to data inconsistencies and inefficiencies. Second normal form is often considered a necessary step in the process of normalizing a database design, as it helps to eliminate partial functional dependencies and ensure that all attributes are fully dependent on the primary key. However, it is not sufficient on its own to guarantee a fully normalized database design. To achieve full normalization, a table must also meet the requirements of third normal form and higher normal forms. Thank you for watching.